Hello today guys, I'm gonna make baking cake. It's easy to prepare. I'm gonna use this flour and egg and milk. We don't have oven, so we cook in the rice cooker. So let's see.
Hi!
I'm gonna put all the ingredients first. I'm gonna put the eggs first. I'm using 4 eggs for this. And shake it, baby. This is so easy to prepare. Just 50 minutes, it's done cooking the rice cooker. And I put the milk. Then we're gonna put the flour. All of flour. Put it all. This is done. And then I put a little olive oil in the pan and then start to cook. I cook this just for 15 minutes and done. Timer. 15 minutes and done.
脑海里想着你，眼睛里映着你，每一次的呼吸都因